Okay, at last we're here at her plugging into the machine room. This is at the Roosevelt Mall. Oh, this is just a wet drop here, but here it is. This has an awesome motor. It used to be a quiet motor, by the way. When it looks a bit. See to the doors a bit. You guys were going to the first floor and second floor? Sure thing. Happy to help. Here you go, have a good day. But let's see if it has this low on oil and something like that. Possibly a death trap too, if you ask me. That's what I'm talking about. It's not low on oil anymore. But that lantern when controls it. Over there's Bloomingdale's. If I'm not wondering enough, this Sugar RT is pretty bad. This has a numbering indicator that says 1 to 4 because when the power went out. But likely, this needs a mod. Here are the lower level of this time. Gee, what the fly is doing here anyways? But here we go, let's see what happens this time. Come on! Why are you not closing? That is neat. That is neat. But the problem is just that, you know, this doors doesn't even close all the way. Like I'm almost got stuck. Let's hope it doesn't happen to WAF 180 again. Which I know he's gonna film this in the later future. But this is elevator number 15, by the way. This is 3,500 pounds. Usually the motor is quieter, but this is awesome. This is very loud. Pretty cool if you ask me, but at least the floors contain well. You're going up?
Yeah. Oh, actually, we're going straight. Thank you.
No problem. That's gonna be it.